The world around us thrives with the most remarkable creatures. And life on Earth relies on this glorious scale of biodiversity. It is the smallest creatures that play the most important roles in our ecosystem. Our waters, soil, food supply, and even medicine all depend on their omnipresence. As we celebrate National Wildlife Day, we are making a call for you to help with their protection. Your actions, your daily life impacts their very existence. They don't need your money. They need you to make changes. 6 simple steps can halt their catastrophic decline. A decline which will result in ours too. As we wonder at their brilliance, please, today make a pledge to nature. Let it thrive.